Welcome to UK Property Accountants. The UK government will present its first autumn budget on 30th October 2024. Warning, it will involve tough decisions and possible tax hikes. These measures are seen as necessary to address £22 billion black hole in the UK's public finance, signalling some unpleasant developments ahead. What could be the areas for possible changes in the autumn budget 2024? The budget will likely deliver on the promises the Labour Party made in its manifesto. It will likely also bring changes to the current tax regime. Here are 8 rules changes possible which could be in store. 1. Capital gains tax. Labour has repeatedly made it clear that there will be no increases in the national insurance, income tax, VAT or corporation tax. However, the party has not given the same guarantee for CGT, leading to the speculation that the CGT might be increased in the upcoming budget. Potential changes to CGT might involve aligning it with income tax rates or lowering the tax-free allowance. 2. Inheritance tax. A government looking to raise funds could increase the inheritance tax rate, lower the tax-free allowance, eliminate gifting allowances, or remove the IHT reliefs. Another possibility is the introduction of a double death tax, where capital gains tax is applied to IHT when families inherit assets. Pensions are typically exempt from IHT, but this could also change in the autumn budget. 3. Stamp duty land tax. Before the election, Labour announced that if it came to power, it will bring the first-time buyers exemption threshold back down to £300,000. This threshold was increased to £425,000 in September 2022 and was scheduled to revert in April 2025. Chancellor Rachel Reeves might include this in the budget and announce other changes to stamp duty land tax. 4. Pension contributions. Labour's commitment to the state pension triple lock, reaffirmed by Reeves on 29 July, ensures annual increases each April based on inflation. Average earnings are 2.5, whichever is highest. Meanwhile, there is a speculation that the budget may include changes to private pension, particularly reducing the tax-free cash. Savers can withdraw from 25% up to £268,275 to as low as £100,000. 5. Non-Domicile Status. Labour has expressed its commitment to tackling tax avoidance and abolishing the non-dom status. The government announced that from 6 April 2025, the non-dom will lose their special tax treatment and be subject to new residence-based system. However, reports suggest that some plan to abolish the non-dom status are being reconsidered due to the concerns about the revenue. 6. VAT on private schools. The government has announced that VAT will be applied to private school fees starting 1st January 2025, potentially raising costs by up to 20%. The government's plan to close a loophole allowing parents to avoid VAT by prepaying school fees. Starting 1st January, any fees paid in advance from 29 July will be subject to VAT. 7. Child benefit. The income threshold for receiving child benefits is also expected to be increased, and experts say this will be a big boost for high taxpayers. 8. British Individual Savings Account (ISA). New government has not talked about the British Individual Saving Account, but reports suggest Reeves will officially scrap it in the budget. In the 2024 budget, Chancellor Reeves is expected to announce tough decision to address £22 billion gap in the public finances. The budget will focus on closing loopholes, raising revenue, and supporting key manifesto pledges. At UK Property Accountants, we focus on empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Take advantage of our free 15-minute discovery call to explore how we can help. Thanks for tuning in.